Hello, this is the BBA 360 Team Project 4 presentation on a SWOT analysis of English as a second language employees with the structure based on Porter's 5 forces. This presentation is by Tamara Ramos, Max Shad, Griselda Yaquez, Manuel de la Paz, Guillermo Mendez, and David A. Nixon. The term SWOT is an acronym that stands for Strengths, Weaknesses, Opportunities, and Threats. SWOT is a situational analysis tool used by companies, organizations, governments, and individuals. It is a useful tool that anyone can use to determine the various aspects of their situational analysis. In addition, the SWOT analysis allows a company or individual to see what can and cannot be done through the completion of its processes. While a SWOT analysis is covered in the presentation, the real focus is on Porter's 5 forces. Porter's 5 forces demonstrates competitive forces in a company's environment. The structure of Porter's 5 forces consists of potential new entrants, bargaining power of buyers, bargaining power of suppliers, threat of substitute products, which all contribute to rivalry among competitors. In this slide, both the SWOT analysis and the Porter's 5 forces are compared. One can see both the similarities and differences in these two analysis tools. As mentioned previously, the core of this presentation is based around Porter's 5 forces. While this will be covered, we felt that it was important to cover our SWOT analysis in this presentation, as it provided much of the information for our Porter's 5 forces. Some of the strengths of ESL programs can create increased acculturation, as ESL employees have a greater respect for their own culture as they learn a new culture and language. Minorities who learn English as a second language could find greater social and employment opportunities. As a result, the likelihood of extreme poverty and the afflictions associated with it are greatly reduced. Here are some of the weaknesses of ESL employees. The effectiveness is limited by the amount of funding and acceptance in the workplace. Some Americans also feel that it may encroach on their jobs, or might take away funds from other humanitarian or social ventures. An increase in management, and the company must find the right tools and candidates to successfully implement an ESL program. Here are some of the opportunities in using ESL employees. If the effectiveness is proven, there could be an opportunity for widespread funding throughout the United States. Focus could be moved from a few minority groups to many other minority groups. Opportunity for ESL programs could be greatest in rural areas, particularly in the communities around the Arizona border. Here are a few threats of ESL employees. Widespread opposition to ESL programs could create many different social, political, and business-related problems. A few of those problems are: public opinion might be negative and hurt the business, ESL employees are in high demand and can be persuaded to move to a competitor, and the verification of legal rights to work. Illegal workers could be problematic. Here are the new entrants to the marketplace that could threaten ESL programs. New internet and software-based language programs, public schools, foreign-based language programs, and other ESL substitute programs could erode potential funding. We feel that the addition of ESL employees allows the customer to have greater purchasing and buying power. These benefits are listed below. With the ESL programs, the company is most likely to increase the number of customers. This will bring more customers from different ethnic and cultural backgrounds, and as a result, the company will have better sales and a larger market share. The skills brought forth from ESL employees can allow the company to better judge price sensitivity. As a result, the buyer has greater buying and bargaining power. In addition to the aforementioned increased bargaining power of buyers, ESL employees can contribute to the increased bargaining power of suppliers as well. With ESL having been implemented, there are more effective communication skills allowing better communication between suppliers and the company. Increased diversity and the positive benefits associated with it can allow the supplier to more easily make demands. While we have espoused the positive benefits of ESL employees, there are a number of threats against ESL employees and their programs. New language software such as Rosetta Stone could eliminate the need for traditional ESL programs. Widespread adoption of the internet throughout the world could afford many people the ability to learn another language without the use of ESL programs. Standalone electronic translators or smartphones can also threaten ESL programs. And lastly, the lack of assimilation in the population could threaten ESL programs. In conclusion, ESL programs can provide many benefits for both the employees, employers, and the community at large, but they are not without their obstacles. Some of the benefits of ESL programs and the employees are increased acculturation, greater social and employment opportunities, and it also decreases racial inequality. The downside or weaknesses of ESL programs and employees is that the effectiveness is limited by funding and acceptance. Some may feel it encroaches upon jobs, increased management, and the company must find the correct candidates to have a successful program. For a quick reference, here is our Gantt chart that we use to plan all the team activities and to determine what to be needed accomplished before each deadline. I hope you enjoyed our presentation, and we all hope that you have a great day.